Good morning, students. In the previous session, we had discussed about arithmetic operators, relational operators, and assignment operators in Python. Today, we will discuss about logical operators in Python and membership operators in Python. So, there are three logical operators available in Python, which these are AND, OR, and NOT. These operators are written in lowercase order only, means you cannot write in uppercase or proper case. If you will write in uppercase or a lowercase, then these will not be considered as logical operators. Logical operator, it gives either value true or false depending upon the operands on each side. So let us discuss one by one the logical operators. First is the AND operator. Logical AND operator gives the value true if both the operands are true. For example, you can see num1 is equal to 10, num2 is minus 20, num1 is 10. If we are comparing num1 with 10, then it is true, and num2 is minus 20, means it is true. So both the operands are true before and after AND, means on both the sides of AND true value is there. So true and true gives true. But if any of the value is false or both are false, then the answer will be false. So in another example, num1 is 10, it is true, num2 is 10, no, it is minus 20, so it gives false value. So true and false gives false. Next comes OR operator, logical OR operator. If any of the two operands are true, then condition becomes true, means true or true is true, true or false is true, false or true is true, false or false is false only. Let us see the example. Num1 is 10, num2 is 2. Num1 is greater than equal to 10 or num2 is greater than equal to 10. So num1 is greater than equal to 10, true. Num2 is greater than equal to 10, false, but it gives true because OR operator is there. Similarly, num1 is less than equal to 5, it's false. Num2 is greater than equal to 10, it's false. So false or false, it gives you false. Next operator is logical NOT operator. Logical NOT operator is used to reserve the logical state of the operand, means not true will give you false and not false will give you true. For example, num1 is 10, num1 is not num1 equal to 20. If we will compare num1 with 20, means num1 is not equal to 20, so it gives you not false, means true will be the answer, and vice versa is there. Next, we have membership operators. Membership operator is used to check if the value is member of the given sequence or not. In operator and not in operator, there are two operators which are known as membership operators, which can be used in Python. In returns true if the variable is in a specific sequence. अगर किसी particular sequence में variable value मिलती है, then it will give you a true, otherwise false. So let us see an example. Num sequence equal to 1 to 3. This sequence has three values, 1, 2 and 3. Now on checking 2 in numseq, it gives true as 2 is available in this sequence. 1 in numseq, it gives false. Reason 1 is within single quote here means it is a string, not a number. So it is giving you false. Similarly, not in operator is there which returns true if the variable or value is not found in the specific sequence. Otherwise, it will give you the false value. So it can be again clear from the example num6 equal to 1 to 3. This is the sequence. 10 not in num6, it gives true because 10 is not available in this sequence. Similarly, 1 not in num6, it is giving false because it is in this sequence. So we can use number of operators in Python. Next we will discuss about expressions. Expression, as you know, in mathematics also. Similarly, expression in Python is there, which is a combination of constants, variables and operators. An expression always evaluates to some value, and value or a variable is also considered as an expression. But a standalone operator means if only operator is there, operands are not there, then that is not an expression. So for an expression, operands and operators both has to be there, and operands can be a value or a variable. Some of the examples you can see see here. Num1 minus 20.4. Num is variable here and 20.4 is constant. Similarly, last example you can see global plus citizen. Two strings are there which are being concatenated with the plus operator. So this is also an expression. Next is precedence of operators. As you have studied in mathematics, Bodmer's rule means there is also a precedence of operator. Similarly, precedence of operator is used in Python expressions also. So higher precedence operator is evaluated first, and then the lower precedence operator if there are number of operators in an expression. Parenthesis is used to override the precedence of operators, means within the parenthesis or the round bracket whatever expression is there, that is evaluated first. So if we have only arithmetic operators in an expression, then the precedence of arithmetic operator is first of all parenthesis, then exponentiation, then negation operator. After that, division, floor division, multiplication and modulus, they have the same precedence level. After that, plus and minus, they are having the same precedence level. So in the decreasing order of precedence, arithmetic operators are parenthesis followed by exponentiation, then negation, after that division, floor division, multiplication and modulus, then addition and subtraction. But sometimes we have expression in which we have other type of operators also apart from the arithmetic operators. Then the operator precedence level is first of all arithmetic operators are evaluated, then comparison or the relational operators has the precedence. Then after that, at the last, logical operators are used. So logical operators has the lowest precedence value in this. So even in logical, not is evaluated first, then and, after that or is evaluated. So we have discussed about logical operator and logical operators, and in operators in operators, membership operators we can say, and precedence of operators in this session. That's all for today.